Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with a new video for you. I know it's been a while since I last posted a video. It's probably been over 2 weeks now. I'm so embarrassed. But I had a lot going on and I just needed a break. I needed some sleep. I needed some time to eat and watch my true crime documentaries. And just, get back in the swing of things. So it feels good to be back in front of the camera doing tutorials for you guys and reviews and, all the usual good stuff that I do on my channel. So yeah, let's get right into this product review. And as you can see, my hair is in a ponytail, so you can probably tell how it worked out for me. Let's get started. Now, if you don't know, Shea Moisture has a coconut custard line that they released, I want to say sometime last year. And the whole line promises to help make your wash and go last. As you all know, wash and goes are a staple in the natural hair community. So anything that is gonna promise me more days with my defined curls, I'm all up for trying because I am a lazy natural like most of you out there. So it's nice to have something that's gonna feed my laziness. Shea Moisture sent me their entire line of their coconut custard make it last wash and go line. It includes a shampoo, conditioner, a curl primer, a curl defining gel oil, and a revitalizing oil for, I guess, the days that you just want to refresh your curls a little bit. So I'm first going to start by talking about the shampoo. I really love this shampoo. This shampoo felt like a deep conditioner in my hair that suds up at the same time. I really can appreciate curly hair shampoos that have that really moisturizing, slippery feel, all while giving me the suds and the lather that I need. I know it can be difficult to find that because, a lot of the shampoos don't have that component in there to make it sudsy. Some people do well with this, some people don't. I need to have these suds in there so that I know my hair is getting clean. I know that I have enough product in my hair, so I'm always down for a shampoo of that nature. So when this runs out, I will definitely go out and buy some. I just feel like this is a good shampoo for in between wash and goes. When you don't want your curls to be stripped, but you do want your hair to be clean of the previous product and moisturize at the same time. So this was a really good product for me. The next product I used was, of course, the conditioner, the Make It Last Wash and Go conditioner. They all say make it last, wash and go, and then whatever it is. The conditioner is, first of all, let me just say this. It does not need to be in a bottle with a pump. This stuff is so thick. It's so hard to scoop out. Like, I was standing in the shower like pump, 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 thinking like, when is this stuff gonna come out? It took forever. And then finally a little bit came out. So I said, let me just open this up and squeeze it into my hand. I couldn't even do that easily. I had to really knock it up against the shower wall upside down so the product will come down to the tip, then squeeze it into my hand. So yeah, I feel like this should be in a tube that you squeeze out with your whole hand. The bottles that even have that little pop top thing with the hole in it, that's not even going to be enough because this stuff was super duper thick. It felt like a mask, a hair mask. You know how thick those can be. But that was my only complaint with this product. The packaging just needs to be a little bit more accessible for the product to come out easier because when you're in the shower, your hands are wet, your hair is wet, your eyes are sometimes burning, you're hot. You just want to get the job done and be done. Other than that, it made my hair feel really moisturized, gave it a lot of slip. I didn't feel like I needed a lot of product for each section because it's so super duper thick and it coated my hair really nicely. So yeah, this was a really good product. When this runs out, I definitely plan on buying some on my own time. It's very rich and I just feel like it's a good product to have in my cabinet. Now the next product I used was the curl primer. I feel like this product is kind of left to your own interpretation because to me a curl primer means it's kind of like the leave-in or maybe even the styler a little bit. Either way it's gonna have an effect on how your curls look in the end. So it's not something you want to rinse out, you want to keep it in to help keep those curls defined. But it also says this can be used as a pre-poo for very easy detangling. I mean, I feel like, I don't know how much any of these products cost. I feel like they all range from maybe $8 to $12 each, maybe give or take a couple more dollars each way. I feel like I would never use this as a pre-poo because you would probably need a lot of it and it probably costs too much to just rinse it out. That being said, I still wasn't that pleased with it. I think this is a good leave-in conditioner. That's how it felt when I was putting it in my hair. It didn't really feel like it was, it was rich and thick like the conditioner, like how I like my styling creams to be. It more or less just kind of made my hair feel hydrated and it gave it definition. It clumped it some, but it still wasn't that great, I guess. I needed more definition and more hold when it came to styling my curls and getting it ready for that gel oil that's coming up next. And this I won't be purchasing on my own. I just don't really feel it's necessary. It feels like a leave-in conditioner, and it's just, I feel like a vanity product per se. I feel like they should probably put leave-in conditioner on the label itself, because that way people would be more inclined to be like, oh, I need that, I like leave-in conditioners. And that's what it feels like anyway. Curl primer is more or less like, oh, what's that? Do I need a curl primer? Maybe, you know, that'll make my hair less frizzy or my curls more defined. Like, it just is, it's left up to your own interpretation unless you specifically explain what it's for. Yeah, I won't be purchasing this. It just felt like a leave-in conditioner to me, and I have plenty of that already. Now, the next product that I used was the gel oil. I haven't used a gel oil, I don't think, in years. So I was just interested to see how my hair would respond to it. Normally my hair doesn't like oils when I'm doing my wash and goes. I mean, if I do ever add oil to my hair, it's at the very, very end. And this is not even something I do anymore. I used to do this way back when. I would have all the product in my hair, and then right before I would diffuse it, I would coat my hands in oil and just, you know, kind of pat my hair, like do the praying hands method a little bit. Once I realized that my hair was getting frizzy after doing that, I just felt like maybe I shouldn't use the oil. Maybe it's breaking down the gel. I don't know. So I just stopped doing it altogether and only applied oil like the next day or the day after when I wanted my hair to look more, you know, shiny and revitalized. Long story short, I'm not gonna buy this. I felt like I could see the product sitting on top of my strands. I could actually see the little oil bead sitting on top. I have low porosity hair, for those of you who don't know, so something like this probably wouldn't do well for my hair. It just sits right on top of my strands, and then when it was time to diffuse it, it just looked like a frizzy mess. It just was not, it just wasn't good. For you high porosity girls or normal porosity girls, or anyone who just, you know, their hair responds well to light products and oily products, or a combination of the two, I would suggest at least trying this, because it is a very lightweight product, but I feel like it could be very hydrating and moisturizing at the same time because of the oil aspect. Me having low porosity, it just sat on top. After things went so badly with the gel oil and the curl primer, I didn't even use the oil. I mean, this is the Curl Revival oil. This is probably something that, you know, I can use on any random day where I need some shininess for my wash and go. And I love that it's in a spray bottle because it's much easier to apply that way, and I feel like it helps make my hair shinier quicker. So this, I don't really have an opinion on. It's an oil. Oils normally do okay with my hair after the fact, not while it's wet. And yeah, so I'll just try this later, and I'm sure I'll probably be fine with it. Now, as far as the ingredients in these products, they really are featuring the coconut aspect, the cocoa butter, which helps with hair elasticity, and the peptides, which helps with defining your hair. I found that to be very interesting because my hair just was not that defined. It had elasticity, and you know, my hair likes coconut and all that, so that was okay, I guess. But overall, I'm not that like gung-ho about this product line. I will definitely be purchasing the shampoo and the conditioner, which was so strange because I normally, I mean, I care about them, but it's not the most exciting part. So I was more excited about the curl primer. I thought I would have more of a win with that, but this is why I like to do these reviews. There's always a chance to be surprised and blindsided by something you didn't even see coming that you are happy that you now know, which is another reason why I decided to continue with applying the products even though I knew that they weren't really working well for my hair. I just needed a full picture. I know in the past I've kind of cut it short, and I've told myself, you know, maybe I should have just kept going to at least finish. I think most of the reason why I decided to continue this time is because I'm going to be doing my hair again probably in the next couple of days. So this wasn't a huge deal for my hair not to look that great, especially when I knew I could just throw it in a ponytail. But anyways, if you guys have tried these products, let me know what you think about them in the comment section below. If you were surprised by anything about these products or thought there was something interesting that you'd like to share, please let me know that as well. Also, I have plenty of products I'm going to be trying for you on my channel very soon, so be on the lookout for that. But in the meantime, in between time, if you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and as always, thanks for watching.